Hi everyone! Let's sing Miss Kristy's favorite bedtime song. It's called Rock-a-Bye Baby. Rock-a-bye baby on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall. The brother will catch you, cradle and all. Now, let's go round 2 for Miss Kristy sleeping. Baby is drowsing, cozy and fair. Mother sits near and her rocking chair. Forward and back, the cradle she swings. The baby sleeps, he hears what she sings. Now, let's go round 3 for Miss Kristy snoring. From the high rooftops down to the sea, no one's as dear as baby to we. Wee little fingers, eyes wide and bright, now sound asleep until morning light. Good night, Miss Kristy. Sleep tight tonight and snore, Miss Kristy, until morning light. Good night.